Hello everybody and welcome to Nice Things. I've got a new chin hammock, look at that. Anyway, here we are, this is our annual exhibition. Suzy Humphries, who owns the gallery, is observing social distancing, of course, which means that only 4 people are allowed in the gallery at any one time. So you might be thinking, what's the point in doing all this work for 4 people? Well, these days of course, we can display the work online, and I'm going to publish the link, and so everybody all over the world can look at it and purchase it. So that's good. On this wall are 36 works by me, and 24 of them are new and have not been exhibited before, including these flatfish, plaice, bill, turbot. Moving on, we've got all of the cheeky beasts. And what I've done, I've displayed them in the same order that they appear in the calendar. January, February, March, April. So that makes sense. Moving along, here's the romp of otters, never been seen. My herd of elephants. And then of course we come to the obligatory peacocks, because the peacocks are really my signature. So I always feel the need to add some peacocks. Here's Mr. Hodge, our cat, Hodge hunting, and he actually appears twice in this exhibition, because here he is hunting, and here he is again in a lovely study by Margaret, who does these great pet studies. So of Margaret's work, there are 15 works on display, and 4 of them are new, because of course Margaret's work takes much longer. They're exquisite, painstaking work, and really lovely. So anyway, there you have it. Welcome to our annual exhibition.